Alright, this is cell shading. Well, at least my attempt at cell shading. There we go. And this is my cat. Now, what cell shading is it basically takes away gradients. Like you can see my face is pretty much one or two colors. So it takes away the gradient mix between colors, and it brings out edges in everything. You can see I have my blinds behind me, and all of them have their edges defined. So you can see in the cat's eyes pretty well there too, how that stands out, but the rest of them looks pretty much completely black. So I'll let him go away. And so this is what cell shading is. A popular example of cell shading, it would be like Team Fortress is a cell shading type of game. Alright, or Jet Set Radio, for any of you who remember that. Now this is the program. This is made up of two things really, maybe three different sub videos I have out there. One is the Emgu webcam capture. The second would be the Emgu video filters, and the third would be the fast rendering on bitmaps that I have. And so the way this video is set, this program is set up, is I import my Emgu stuff, and then with that I define the capture and some pictures. I have the, let's see, capture a gray frame and a color frame. I changed the color frame into a regular bitmap, put that through my fast filter there, and then bring it back into the Emgu type image. Then I take that gray frame and I use canny on it, and canny is an edge detection kind of sweetness, and that turns it to a black with white lines. And then I subtract that from my color, and then I do a PYR up, and that performs an upsampling Gaussian pyramid decomposition. It basically smooths it out and makes it bigger, and then I put that into my picture box. Now this stuff here, this fast rendering stuff, is pretty much a copy up and until here. This is my filter for the color dumbing down. So really I take my red, and if it's below 50 I make it 0. If it's below 100 I make it 25. So I'm really bumping these colors down. If it's below or equal to 150 I actually bump it up to 180. If it's below or equal to 200 I set it to 210, and if it is above that then I set it to full 255. I do that for red, green, and blue. And then I put those back into the image, and then it goes back through the rest of these filters. And so that's pretty much it. It's a neat little cell shading program. So there you are. Pretty sweet, huh? I think so. So you can make that too, and have fun with that.